Hello. Let's start the page layout. Okay. Page layout tab always help me to print my data. So previously what happened? We did not learn as much in deeper in page layout. Means where I want to say in Word and in PowerPoint. Because what happened that time I have the page and I don't have the data who are going to the outside or maybe the outside of page. So I did not need to worry about my page layout group. So but right now in Excel we have the large quantity of data. You can see when I'm going to the left side, sorry, right side, there is a all different columns are there. If suppose I'm going to the down, there are a lot of rows. So how I can present very well my rows and columns using by what the solution only page layout. When we are going to the files print, you can see the data we are presenting. Sometimes what happened, my data is going outside, means when I have the a lot of columns, my data will be going to the outside. Even suppose I have the rows, it will be going to the next page. But the problem is what, when have the only the rows, only the columns, that time what the data is going outside. So how we can present our data in very well format, means how we can compress my data, how we can maximize my data using by this. So you can see we have the page layout. Okay, for that purpose we have the different options also to set my data. First let's understand theme. Theme is always helping me to you give to the my table color and the font only. Okay, first if suppose I want to check that, I need to use select this table, go first home or insert anywhere. I want to change into the table format. That's important. Okay, let me select into table format. Let me complete it. You can see it's right now everything colored. Okay, now go to the page layout. First I'm using theme. We have the different theme option. We are using means when we are using theme, it will be apply at a one time, color also, font also, and effect also. Let me show you. You can see there is different color plus font also. This is all about theme. Means what, I'm changing a theme. You can check anything which one you want. Now if suppose I want to not apply theme, I don't want to apply font, I want to apply only a color. You can see we can only apply color also, or else we can only apply font also. You can see. So this is also way we have. This is all about what theme I am changing. And effect also we have. We can do effect. But when I'm using the effect, I didn't see any changes. I don't know why, but it's a reality. Now let's go to the important part. How we can. Okay, first let me do as it is my. I don't want table format. Okay, so you can see this line are indicated. Means what happened? My data are going to the outside. Okay, let me show you files print. You can see one, two, three, four, five, six, seven column only there. And when I'm going to the second page, the it will be coming to the remaining column are coming to the second page. So there is a task how I can present inside of that. Okay, let me do that. Go to the we have the different option to set my data. I am teaching you how we can do that data and how we can put data inside of my page. There are a lot of options. Let me show one by one. First we have a margin. Okay, margin are like, we margin means what, the site of part. Let me show you what is the margin. Let me go to the print. You can see the site of part. You can see this is called the margin. Suppose I want to change that. You can do this thing. Suppose I want in a narrow. See what happened. Let me go to the files, print. Right now my data inside of my table. Okay, so I can do that. So what, select whatever data you have, do the margin narrow. Okay, you can do that narrow. You can do a while. How we can see that? See, there is a direct page layout format also, so we can see directly. See, I'm taking narrow. Say it's narrow. If suppose sorry, normal. If suppose I want to wide, I can take the wide also. If suppose I want narrow, I can take a narrow also. Okay, right now still its data is not proper inside of that. Let me double click and check the which type I want. Salary. Okay, so you can see when I'm doing a narrow, means I don't want lot of a border, a lot of page extra, lot of extra not. I don't want empty space, so I'm just removing. So we can change the margin. We can change even orientation also. Orientation means landscape, like that. Landscape, portrait means the standing position. Landscape means like what that a row type of. So we can do that. Suppose I'm doing landscape, you can see the extra columns they can give me. So this is the way also I can put my this stuff. Again, we have the size also. I can set the paper size, means different paper having their sizes, like A4 paper, A3 paper. I can put that, and these all page layout help me to synchronize my data with my paper. Okay, you can see means how which paper I'm taking, I need to put inside of that. So this is all about the sizes. After that, print area means what I want to print. Suppose I want to print only these two tables. Okay, let me select it. Okay, you can go to the normal mode also, again back. Okay, so let me select it this column only two, and just go over here in what print area. Means what exactly which area I want to print. Let's just selected print area. Now when you are going to the print, you can see only whatever you are selected, that much only are printed. Okay, let me go back. Let me apply for all again. Apply for all table, select print area, select. Okay, now after that we have the option that's called what, break. Break means what right now I have the option, I can write into down also, means I can write over here also, and I can write over here also, but I don't want anything. I want only this table. I don't want to write outside. I don't want to anything. So just select that table. Okay, no, select. Go over here where exactly you want to, cut that page. Just select over here and just say break page. See, insert break. So my break is already coming. So it's already break. And when I'm going to the over here, you can see I cannot able to do anything because it's already break. So this is all about, I can break that, means I did not need to write anything. I can just break that. Okay, let me go to the undo. I want that. Okay, undo. Okay, you can see the line is gone. Right now, no, nothing is line is there. Okay, let me do reduce the size. Okay, huh. After that, we have the background option. Means if suppose I want to apply background, I can apply that. Let me show you. Suppose I want to apply any background in being anything car. The was first car insert. You can say it's apply. But honestly, one thing I don't think so anyone are using the background of cells because we cannot able to see the data. So if I don't want, just say a delete background, it will be a deleted. Okay. Let me check the time. It's recording also. So after that, we have the print title option. Print title option means what? When I have the large quantity of data, let me copy these things. Let me put it let me put it again and again. Copy, copy, and I want to paste that. Okay, and I want to paste that. So I'm just increasing a rows. Let me select it and see when I'm going to the files and print that. Okay, I forgot to select my table. Control A. Where that print area, selected print area. Okay, when I'm going to the files, print, you can see the all rows are coming. When I'm going to the second sheet, you can see I did not see the top of titles, like so when I'm going to the second slide, how I can understand which columns are what indicated, I need to check that. So if I want to put that, I want to again repeat that these columns, which one, serial number, names, ERP, this I want to print, I want to continue into the next page. How we can do that? We have the option over here where that print title. Okay, just first select what you have. I want to suppose print that. Just go to the print area. First, what they saying? Which row you want to repeat it? See, click over here. I want to repeat it. This one. Select that. Say down to see there is a first option down, then over. Click over here and just say okay. Now, what happened when you're going to the file, print, and when you go into the next page, you can see the title.